Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at how we can count um, something really basic using groups. Namely, there's something called a binomial coefficient. And what does it count? It counts the number of ways there are of choosing something from something else of a certain size. So suppose, for instance, that we have 5 things, and we want to split it up into, we want to choose 2 things from it. So if we choose 2 things from it, we're also choosing three things that we're not going to choose. We're deciding which ones we're not choosing and which ones we are choosing. Okay, so it's kind of like having some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drawing a line right here. And then we say, okay, let's consider all permutations of these numbers right here when we keep this line right here. Some permutations will maintain this particular configuration of which ones we choose. Whatever ones we choose are going to be on this side of the line, and ones we don't choose will be over here on this side of the line. So this is actually a group action, a transitive group action on the different configurations of what we're actually choosing. The stabilizer subgroup for a particular configuration would be the set of permutations just on these first 2 guys cross the set of permutations on those guys, so like kind of paired together in a Cartesian product type way. So 1, 2 cross permutations 3, 4, 5. There's 3 factorial permutations for this, 2 factorial for that, and together combined there's 2 factorial times 3 factorial permutations in the stabilizer subgroup of this configuration. The cosets of the stabilizer subgroup actually give us are in one-to-one correspondence with the actual configurations that we can have. Now, cosets are all the same size and they evenly partition. So what we're going to be looking at is the size of the stabilizer subgroup is 2 factorial times 3 factorial, but the whole group, S5, is 120 here, so it's 5 factorial. We could think of 5 factorial as being 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. We cancel those, and this 2 factorial can cancel that, so it's 5 times 2, it's 10. So there's actually 10 different ways of choosing 2 things from 5 things. So we just talked about a binomial coefficient in a group kind of a way. Thanks for watching.